Good morning, good morning, morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new sunny day here, and yes, I am on the road. When was the last time I'm on the road? Apart from taking Tyler to school? I don't know. Because this lockdown, honey child, me can't go nowhere. Me have to turn on my yard. Anyway, you guys, we're up and out and doing a little road run this morning. You don't know it's lockdown, so we can't go anywhere much, but we're heading to the supermarket just so I can get out of the house, and just so this one beside me don't have to do supermarket alone. So
taking care of me.
I'm going to do supermarket today, but everybody is here. Say morning. Have some manners.
Good morning, guys.
How are you feeling? How are you doing?
Not too bad, not too good. I mean, I'm okay.
Not too bad, not too good, but
I
I'm
want
okay.
to run a marathon today, that's for sure, but I'm okay. So I have support beside me. Don't do nothing special.
Nothing.
I relax, I rest, and just driving, a little drive, like 10 minutes drive, slow drive to the supermarket, and that would be a family
Activity, I
family
guess.
things.
So that's what we're doing right now. And where are the stars of the show?
What?
How are you?
Good.
Good. And the other star of the show, say hi. Sarah, say cuckoo. You just look at them and turn away your face. You look very beautiful with your big boy in your hair this morning, princess. Princess Sarah. Say cuckoo. Say hi. Hi. You're so cute. Anyway, you guys, I am a bit sneezy. This sneezing won't leave me. But your girl will be good. I'll be fine. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are doing well. It's very, very sunny here. It's hot actually. It's in the car, it's saying it's 18 degrees Celsius. So it's good weather, very good weather out. Don't need no jacket, don't need nothing. Honey, how about this parking lot for Tyler to come and ride?
Yeah, I was thinking at the supermarket, but this can also work, anyone.
Because look, we have this entire stretch of
Yeah,
come all the way down here. Anyway, you guys, we are here. Have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and most of all, stay safe. Most of all, stay safe. Most of all, stay safe. Doing a quick supermarket run, and we'll catch you guys with the supermarket haul, which I know you guys will be looking forward to. Sorry about what?
I pulled the drawer.
Leave the drawer or else your finger gonna feel it.
What? It's almost Easter, so we are going to show you the special things of Easter first. The first thing of Easter that we got. Dun, 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 dun. Easter egg for me.
And for who?
And for who else?
Sarah.
Oh
And who else? And for the entire family?
no, it's for you and Sarah.
And for the entire family?
We're not giving Papa no.
No, you don't deserve it. Me and Sarah.
Well, Papa don't deserve it. Uh-oh.
Papa, I'm just joking. Papa, we are joking.
back. We've been back for a while now.
These are for me. If Sarah finds them.
No.
Easter?
No, not if Sarah finds them. You're going to save some for Sarah to find. You're not going to find everything.
Okay.
So some, the ones that you see, you leave those for Sarah, but the ones that's hidden is for you to find.
So if it's hidden, how can he find them?
He's going to look for it. Sarah one's going to be where Sarah can see them. The only thing about Sarah is that as she finds them, she's going to bite them. So, you know? Sarah's going to bite. Oh, tie up your neck with it. Come on, you guys. Let's go to the supermarket hall. Wait, Tyler, you'll find the rabbit as you go along. Let's start the supermarket hall.
This one is the egg for
Oh,
Sarah.
for me.
No, not just for Sarah.
For Sarah,
you too.
me and you.
And Mama?
Yes. No, not for Mama. Oh yes, she can. At Easter she can. Because the day before Easter is her last day eating healthy.
Mama eating healthy, you sure? Mama eating half of the Petit Beurre biscuit. And Mama eating healthy.
Mama is not going to be dishonest. I have many a cheat days. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm still on my...
Every day is a cheat day between 4 and 5 and between 9 and 10. She has 2 hours per day cheat day when she eats everything.
Okay, ring the bell, ring the bell.
That's a rabbit.
That's a rabbit. So
This
let's
is
see who will find this
Easter
rabbit.
bunny for
Can
Sarah.
I try to find it too?
Alright, you guys. Because they're not doing the supermarket haul. Let's go. We find oxtail. Come here. Why are you not doing the haul?
Because you're doing it with your team. Sausage.
You're going too fast.
You're going too slow. Someone.
Someone in.
Who
I realize you love the
Come in.
like this.
I don't have my time when I'm eating certain things that I don't want to
Yeah, I
eat.
think when you eat fancy things, your time should be very short, and when you eat cheap things, your time should be very long.
Mama.
Yogurt for Stella.
Yeah.
Yes, Stella?
When I say something in French, you repeat it what that means.
Okay.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Mini pizza.
Mini pizza.
Yogurt
Yeah.
for Papa and Sarah. And we have another salad. How many salads she took you?
Poulet de viande.
We have meatballs.
What is this in English?
Poulet de
Meatballs.
viande. Fromage.
Cheese and then the cheese. This one is a chaussée au moine.
Sarah, get down. Sarah is in a climbing.
This one is if you
Come here. Come here.
if you believe in God, you should eat this one.
We believe in God, but we
that's
not
a
eat that.
mouth.
You guys, look how cute Sarah is in her book. Look, Sarah.
Right, high five.
Say cuckoo. Say hi. Hi. Give them kiss. Give them kissy.
If it falls on top of your head, you don't eat it.
Baby, don't put a stinky cheese on my head. Babe. Stinky cheese. No.
You, it smells, no, don't smell.
No, I don't know why I took this one.
You're gonna eat it. Come.
No, I don't.
Move. Baby,
It
please.
smells better than your fart.
Well, if it didn't smell better than my fart, then I would want you to eat that.
If it smells.
Wash it off too. Continue the haul, please.
Oh, well, we have
Pepper.
sweet pepper. Is poivron.
Poivron. Okay.
Down.
Peach.
Peach. Peach, show my peach.
Peach.
Mandarine.
Mandarina is tangerine, but
Oh,
the
you took
small
tangerine
one.
this time, you did.
Yes. Little. Le prends le jus?
Ok, je sais pas. Ok.
Ça c'est pour nous. Les autres pour ça.
Ok.
Pomme.
Pomme.
Oui. Allez.
Ah.
Go, 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 go.
Haricot vert.
We have green bean here. We
Comment
have
ça s'appelle?
lemon.
Citron.
Citron.
Regarde.
Oh, we have orange for the juice.
Oh, tell us what is this?
I remember when you used to make me some nice orange.
Only when you're sick.
No, I mean long time ago when you used that in Never's time when you used to make the orange like orange juice for me. Babe, do you want the orange
Oh
juice?
well, I have kids to make it for now. I only made that for you when you're sick now.
Okay.
Tell her don't pierce the hole. Why are you trying to pierce the
Why you
hole?
pierce it already?
I know him do that. Sarah,
We have meat.
Sarah, no.
Meat here that's gonna be for the French.
Dish of the
At
weekend.
Delaveaus.
Right.
So we're gonna do that tomorrow?
If you want to.
Yes. They will be cooking tomorrow, y'all. So you don't wanna miss that
We
one.
have cucumber.
C'est quoi ça?
Banana.
This?
Banana.
Banana.
Ketchup.
We have a
Mama,
ketchup.
you finally doing this, but I'm
We
doing
have a
this.
carrots here.
Broccoli.
Okay.
There are
Sarah, get down.
You have a mess here. You have another mess here.
Dentifrice.
You have toothbrush here.
Brosse à dents.
Ginger. Oh, nice ginger.
Brosse à dents.
Toothbrush. Show me the toothbrush.
Avocat.
Sarah, get down.
Avocat.
We have avocado here.
No.
We have a third mess. No, she's not a mess. She's making a mess.
Patate douce.
We have a pomme de terre.
Patate
With
douce.
sweet potatoes.
Concombre.
We don't have no concombre. Ça, c'est pas le concombre. Ça,
This little girl is out of
c'est
control.
courgette. The zucchini.
Oh.
And you're making a mess. I'm gonna eat you.
Guys, we're back to the
Ooh.
we're back to the Easter things. I have said everything on Easter except my bunny that to match my eggs. I have it right here.
A bunny.
Alright.
Lapin au chocolat.
Okay, we have a happy biscuit.
Mama,
here.
listen to
Oh, chocolate bunny.
We have a happy biscuit.
Mikado.
Here. Mikado is a. Ooh, that's a mess about to come.
Mikado.
Another mess about to come. Mikado
I
is
promise
a
I won't eat any this
with
time.
chocolate. Eat them. Oh, we have 2 packs of crepe. One here and one about to come here because I'll be home most of the
We
week.
can show that you'll be home this weekend.
Papa, you're going too slow.
Okay, thank you. The cereal for mommy. We have compotes for the kids.
Cereal.
Tyler. We have a cereal bar. We have biscuit. As I said earlier, one is for Mel, one is for Sarah. I mean, Mel gonna eat 1.5. She eats 5 every hour.
Y'all believe that? That's not true.
You
but
better
that's
believe
so.
it.
That one is not true. Y'all know I'm not gonna lie to you. I tell you the truth.
Cereal.
We have sweet bread. We wanted to give size in the face when she eats a lot of bread. So she put it
Sarah
so we're gonna
loves
get
bread.
the sweet bread to see how she reacts.
She come back and say, more snack, more smack,
Cereal.
more smack.
Fini.
Here's one guy, that one's heavy.
Oh.
Oh!
Here,
Mouchoir.
more
We
snack,
have Musha when Tyler cried because
snack.
Tyler's a baby.
Mouchoir.
more snack.
Chocolat au lait.
Chocolate milk for Tyler. This is something that's a must actually. And I'm happy because
Juste
Tyler
ananas.
don't get much milk, so at least that's
Juste
giving
raisin.
milk. It's
But when
important.
you think about it, he drink this almost every day and he has porridge on the weekend.
Yeah, so he gets
his
some
milky.
milk. We have grape juice, we have pineapple juice, we have chicken wings, we have another avocado,
Raisin.
Grapes. Lasagne en français, French.
Poulet.
another chicken here. That's a big amount today.
Oh yeah.
What happened to you?
Will you leave me alone? Dad, give Papa the things now.
Mama, don't remember how we named
Savon.
savon pour la douche.
Savon, we call it
Oh,
gel
yeah,
douche
yeah.
in French.
Savon
Sarah said, come here.
Savon is soft. We used to call this one specific gel douche. Douche is shower.
Come. Look at Sarah said she cooking.
Pomme de terre. I think in English you say Irish potato.
Irish potato.
In French we just say potatoes.
But they don't call sweet potato in French.
Of course, patat is what?
Potato?
Yes.
Celery.
So the douce mean what?
Sweet.
Papa, t'as pas dit en anglais. Papa, t'as pas dit en anglais.
C'est le céleri.
C'est le même taille.
Celery. Come.
What is that? Sarah, what is that?
Sarah, what is this?
Apple.
Apple! Yay! Good
C'est
girl.
quoi ça?
C'est quoi ça?
Apple.
Champignon de Paris.
Yeah, mushroom.
Can you tell them it's gonna cook? Sean.
Yeah, I'm gonna cook mushroom.
Fini.
Don't shout.
Apple.
T'as que join the extreme supermarket.
Hall.
How?
With
Papa.
as a star guest,
Papa.
Tyler
Papa.
at AKA The Mess.
You're Tyler calling.
Pierre feuille ciseaux.
Pourquoi faire?
Pierre feuille ciseaux.
You're a mess.
Pourquoi faire?
I don't do pierre feuille ciseaux for randomly.
Si
No.
tu fais
Who get
pierre
dinner tonight?
Who get
Who is
dinner
that?
tonight?
Who is that? Who is this? Sarah calling you. Who is that? Who is this? Tyler! Yesterday, Tyler coming from school and Tyler touched his clothes and said, Sarah, who is this? Yes, Sarah, shirt. Tyler touched his nose and said, Sarah, who is this? What? No! Sarah, who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Shirt. Who is this? Mouth. Good girl.
People see.
Rock, paper, scissors, why?
First you want that to get.
Okay, wait. Rock, paper, scissors to see who cooked dinner tonight. Mama or Papa?
Papa.
Mama or Papa, come.
Tomorrow.
Rock, paper, scissors. If
Okay.
you win, Papa cook. If me win, Mama cook. No, if me win, Mama cook. If you win, Papa cook. Come.
Papa, I'm going.
Come, Papa, come.
Papa, I'm going to. You want to cook or you don't want to?
No, I don't want to cook tonight. I want to relax.
Okay, so I'm going to lose every time like that. You can't cook.
No, you have to win.
No, if you win, Papa don't cook.
You win.
Oh, I can do it.
Ah, Tyler, high five. Thank you, Tyler. Thank you.
Yes, you get good dinner. You get the good dinner.
I have a saver. Tyler, I can give you
I
whatever
should
you
put
want.
that on my team.
Tyler, what you want? You want a Star Wars? You want champions?
Who put the dinner plus is not to you, it's Papa.
So why you behaving like this? So why you want me to lift you up? You're gonna fall. Alright, calm. I'm actually making dinner and I wanted to show you guys real quick how I make the salmon in the air fryer. And this is the salmon seasoning, a little powder seasoning and salt, and I have olive oil. If you can see, I just put one drip on my finger and just pat. The one drip will give me like 3 pieces, and one more drip and pat the other 3 pieces, and that's it. I put it in the air fryer on 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side, and you get a perfect salmon. I'll show you guys what I'm making for dinner now. Hungry belly, Sarah? Yes, Mama is here. Here goes dinner for today. Salmon, macaroni and cheese and carrots. Sarah, Tyler, Papa, and Mama. Dinner for the fam bam. And can you tell she's ready? Here you go, madam. Ah, plate, stick, can't move.
Here you go, monsieur.
Merci. Je vais avoir un bon appétit aujourd'hui. Un bon.
Ce qui est bien, c'est que tu manges.
Voilà. Dinner time.
Allez, mange-toi. Thank you. It's wonderful.